And this is mine?
Oh, it's mine. Mine is mushroom soup.
I'm starving to death.
You.
What's
You
this?
chicken soup.
Chicken?
Oh,
Ito lang ha.
you. You're stealing the food. Each the for us.
Careful, Ari ha.
Yan, isa lang.
Eh,
Isa lang ang akin.
sabaw. Hindi pala ako binili ng mga.
Kuya.
Ayos din.
Kuya, your plate.
Namatay na kami ng daddy mo.
Hindi ko
Lola! Lola! Lola, do you hate Lola? Do you hate Lola?
Why?
Ay, sa'yo kilawa, parang ka nasa kapihan ah.
Nadagdagan na, dito nila. Kain.
Yeah.
Bigay.
Are you saying the truth or are you just joking?
Which one?
I'm saying that. Why?
Wait, wait.
Then why did you marry him? Then why did you guys end up together?
I don't know.
Who had the choice to be together?
It was Lolo.
Lola!
It was Lolo.
No, Lola. Ask Lola.
Assure
Ano ba siya?
Lolo.
Hindi, ano lang ako. I want my tinapay.
Diyos ko, had a little only.
Ay, baka naman ikahimatay. Kuya, that's gulay.
Nilo.
Sige.
Ay, nila.
Sige, sige.
What is this? Mushroom?
Mushroom.
Mushroom in mushroom soup.
Yes. Correct.
Can I have a mushroom? Mushroom. Oh, mushroom. Oh, mushroom. Oh, Lola!
Amari pa kanina. Makakonti ka naman dyan.
Lola.
Ano ba yun?
You have your own soup.
Tinitin mo ko. Because it's different, kuya. That's why Lola's trying yours.
Tikman mo yung sauce ni Ari.
It's very yummy.
But I don't mind it.
Ay, salamat po sa lahat ng blessings na nilagay niyo po sa amin. Salamat po sa pagkain. Christmas is Day. Salamat po na nakakat po kami sa araw-araw. Pagkakilig sa the prayers. Sana po meron po marami po kami makain bukas. Amen.
Amen.
Amen. Do I have the best prayers?
Yeah.
Why?
Nagdadasal ka for today and then for tomorrow.
It's 2 in 1.
Wala na gan soup.
Meron pa.
Hindi, baka natatapang ang dati mo.
Kaya nga, ikaw ay may paghati pa eh.
Ay, ayaw ko nga hanin ng mga tapang.
Oo, hindi sana hindi mo
Dagdagan mo nga
hinati
sa
yung...
dati mo.
Sana hindi mo hinati yung kay dade.
Wala na akong makita eh. Tapos na. So, isa pa.
Dahil sa pang sabaw, ano ba yun? Mushroom?
Para.
Hindi? Sabaw pa? Matabang? Okay na yan?
Tabang.
Yan na. Sumama ilagay ng ano mo? Ma, paano nangyaring ate? Kaya 4 yan.
Tatatlo ano yun.
Ay, oo, kaya naman ka na eh. Ay,
Yan.
Ano ito? Ano?
chop suey daw. Ni ate.
Chopsticks.
school, di ba? Ano?
Do you know what I hate about some of my classmates
What?
at school?
What?
They always cheat at some of our
Oh no.
Cheat?
Yeah.
How?
Grade 1, they cheat? Oh my God.
What do they do?
They copy each other, the answer, or what?
We copy the answer. Then after the
Periodical test.
then one cleaning round, the teacher ripped his paper because he was copying. Did he try? No. What? What did you do?
Are you happy here or in Villa?
Here. Both. I like to hear more. Wow.
Why, Kuya? Alice just answering.
So you don't like where that lives too? Oh, yes, yeah.
It's not like that.
I like to.
Okay. Di ba, Archie? Sit.
Ngayon ko lang yun na nakita na ano.
Lola, I'm just living the peace naman eh.
Si RC, ngayon ko lang na ngayong araw lang na ito na nagsuro sa tindahan. Eh napunta lang pag ako na doon.
Ako din, pumunta din sa akin nung nasa store ako.
Huwag mo naman lukayin sa RC. 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 RC.
Kahit may discuss, matanggal mo yan. Pogi ko.
Sabi ng mga klase ng mga years old.
My teammates naman.
RC.
You know, my teammates are the only supporting.
RC will eat only if I'm holding it. I
You know,
want to put
guys.
here. She don't want to eat it.
You know guys, the only supportive ones are my teammates. Except for my classmates.
So your parents don't say you are pogi? They do not say.
They say that they don't say anything. They don't say anything about us, they just call us things.
What, like what?
His classmates called him fat.
What? Like what? I'm
Fat.
fat?
But Kuya is not fat anymore.
Ano? Like,
Because
taba, hindi na napapansin. Kahit wala namang ginagawa,
may mga ganun talaga.
nakikipagpausap lang.
May mga ganun talagang classmates.
Sorry, just sing it.
They are just jealous.
When your boyfriend sing it.
RC.
Why? Do it. That's so good. When your boyfriend will, then it wobbles to the floor. I hope what I said na that the one I said na guys or the ones that are supportive are my teammates got caught in that camera. So everyone will see. I need a fork.
Pork, I don't know.
Good.
Akala mo naman siya hindi blind. You cannot find your, ano ngayon, yung kanina umaga? Yes.
Hey, take soup. Kasi very dry ang rice.
Yeah. Finish that, ha?
What What is the driest thing in the world?
What?
What is the driest thing in the world?
Driest part.
A fan. Driest thing. A fan. What? A fan.
What?
Powder. They deflect water. Oh, better. Powder, they deflect water.
Mali tayo ng ano. Ay, magkakaiba ng...
What is the capital of the Philippines?
Manila.
Wow. How about Japan?
Wow.
If one person was not that smart, what's the capital of the Philippines?
How about the capital of Singapore? Isa sa mga makakayawa.
That was offensive.
Singapore.
That was offensive.
How about Malaysia?
Because you
Kuala
said,
Lumpur.
hey,
Timalan!
do you know what the, do you know what's the capital?
Hey.
Ito na, isang mo magpapaalis kasi ako bukas.
Ano ka naman?
Do you know what's the
Uwi ako.
capital of Manila?
Wala nga, hindi ko nadala ang nanay ko.
Diba?
Malaki-laki maganda.
Ito, malaki.
Ano yan? Ah, yung ano,
Pagkain!
Kaya si order.
Bigyan mo ng sarili.
Ang kabala mo ka. Ay, kumain na ako, kumain na ako. God bless. God bless. Papaskuhan, pinapaskuhan mo na ako ah.
Hindi, ipunin ko yung damit na ano ko din, baka pwede sa ina. Ngayon kang inipayat.
Magandang sintawan
ay
kayo.
pauwi na bukas eh.
Kami.
Oo.
Hindi, isang araw pa gano'n siya.
Lagi naman ako na.
Ah,
Magmahal na araw.
Plastic ko.
Ba't kayo nandito? Dito talaga.
Kinakakuran. Doon mo na ano parang...
Oo.
pagka walang pasok ka dito mga yan.
Ma, magkano yun?
70 lang!
70.
Pagka yun talagang pasokan.
Ang ate Mel, kaya andyan.
Nako.
Si ate Edna ko dadalhin. Si ate Edna na magbayad. Meron nga si ate Mel.
Parang wala rin din sila. Padilim eh. Wala rin pa ilaw.
70.
Wala din. 70 lang.
Merry Christmas. Hindi ko-
Oh, talagang may papasko pa eh. Thank you. Teka, tatago ko. Baka akala
Naku,
nyo.
wala na naman.
Hindi, nasa tubalan pala.
Nasa
Nakita
tubalan.
Nasa tubalan, doon
Nasa
nakasaksak.
tubalan. Kay naman na.
Naman na.
Nakabalot sa pante.
Naman na. Buti hindi nakita sa impante.
Umihi kasi ako. Nagpalit ako. Sumama sa pante. Honey, thank you, Ate Malen. Bye, kids. Wala rin na Ate Edna.
Parang hindi mo ba't nadilim dyan?
Padilim.
Walang tao.
Happy.
Pero mo muna.
Dapat bayaran na muna
Ano ba
kay-
yun? 70? Dalawa?
Oo, kay Emily.
Singilin na lang ang bukas.
Dala rin pala yung paalis na. Deng, dito muna. Deng,
Ah,
dito muna yung kay Emily at kay Edna.
Hindi, may tao dyan sa kanila. Wala ka doon sa kabila.
May ilaw doon.
Ay, naroon. Siguro.
Ah, nandun.
Pabayaran muna ni Hanit siya na ang magsisingil.
Ah, sige.
Babayaran na yung kay Emily at kay Edna.
Okay.
Para gumaan-gaan naman ang iyong...
Oh, you drink your soup.
Maganda yan. Balat lang yan. Mas malaki ko na to. Oh. Itong dalawang malaki. Ito kay Ate Mildred. Pag may ilaw doon, may tao doon? Ah.
Sila ano, na ano lang dito yung pagtutulog niya. Nalipat.
Sarado. Yung ilaw na.
Meron, nasa taas.
Siya, taluwagin mo din. Baka.
Nandun na sasakyan.
Sila nanay sa... Naro sa bahay.
Ano gano'n ba?
Sa mga yan. Ha?
Ano gano'n ba?
Galing pala nila yung kain.
Oo.
Oo, tigil-tigil sa tigdadalawa noong sausage, ana. Tapos soup, tapos yung ano.
Yung nangyari din eh.
Kaya nga.
Yeah, ito the soldier here already. Good thing it didn't follow me. But it fell on me. Ha ha ha.
Dalawa.
Hinihingal ako, oo. Thank you! Salamat. Nandun kaya yun?
Sige mo.
Kasi
Ano sa mga
ang ilaw lang i-ano, ang loob.
Dito
Dito na nga. Thank you very much! Happy New Year!
Happy New Year. Ano hindi?
Ay, ini binuhos mo yung sopas.
Nako na.
Sino nagbuhos? Walang nain, walang naiin na. Wala kang nain mo.
Kunti lang po matapon.
Talaga naman. Hindi matatapos ang isang ano eh. Abi, slowly ha.
Ganyan pa isang pagkain ako. Dati isang kakukulit sa akin. Bilang isang o kaya na may isang kakong
Stress. Wala.
ay wala na.
Uy, Orsi, where are you going?
Titipid na.
I have a hard question to ask. Wait, what is that again? What comes first, the orange or the fruit? The color or the fruit?
Da?
What comes first, the orange or the fruit?
The fruit.
The orange. Fruit. The orange. Why is the whole pizza yellow if the pizza box is a square and then the piece of pizza is triangle? Squiggy. Yeah.
Orange is what? A fruit or a color?
A fruit. Both. Orange. A fruit or a color, no?
Is it a fruit or a color?
A fruit coloring. Ano?
Mama, naiyak. Ay, dapat may natira isang kutsarang kanin. Ito, sa sandok. Yes, yan sa rice cooker. Ano?
Wala pa akong mushroom dito.
Oo, itikin mo.
The rice.
Fine. Wala naman
Thank you, thank you!
Yes.
Thank you, thank you! Bye!
Wow.
Bye!
Bye.
Okay sa masaya para ma-wash na. Ayun na lang ba? Eh, gusto pa mapanis.
Lagyan nila sa aso. Bababaran.
How about Yari? You still want rice a bit?
You know, every time you feed the dog nasty food, it's like you're torturing it. Ah!
Old Lola already.
And they're feeding it what came from our mouth.
No.
I don't know.
That's why don't luwa. Don't luwa the food.
Oh, forgot this is mine pala.
Yeah,
This
Lolo, give
cup
it
is supposed to be yours. Every time someone talks actually, I just that's what they say. I hate every time my classmates. I hate my classmates
Right.
because every time I eat, sometimes when they talk about something gross, it's like I can't even take seconds.
How
When
many
I mean-
seconds?
When I mean seconds, yung like bibili ako sa kantin.
Huh? You will buy sa kantin ano, kuya? When you're eating and then...
When I'm done eating,
when you're done eating.
and then my classmates talk about something gross. It's like I don't want to, it's like it makes me feel like ayoko na mag-seconds. When I mean seconds, yung hindi na ako kukuha ng ay, palamig.
Hindi ka nakukuha ng food,
Hindi na ako
ng another
bibili.
food.
Hindi,
bibili. Because nag-roast ka na. Wash your hands ha.
What's up?
Ikaw
So
ba'y
what's
ikaw
up?
ba'y
Ayun na,
natapon?
brush your teeth na. Hindi yung mag-ano pa bago
Ari,
mag-ano. Brush your teeth.
Natapunan ka ba? Ha? Saan? Yung shorts mo? Ay, magpalit ng short.
Pupunasan na laan. Basang-basa ka. Is it wet?
Boy, how about you, boy? You're not done yet.
Oh.
You need to finish your soup.
Oh my god!
You said you want the soup. Now finish it. It's expensive. It's expensive soup, okay?
Why is it expensive? If it's just
Yeah, but it's 40 pesos.
I know why it's expensive. It's
Because
just-
it's from Singapore, that's why it's expensive.
and you can just get your own water bottle and 1 spoon in case, and then
Yeah, in case I'm hungry, I will make my own soup.
Ito ba yung salamin ko?
I don't know.
Wala din.
I think so. It's it doesn't have the thing na.
Oh, maybe, but just don't drink it. I mean, only the ibabaw lang. Don't get the ilalim. It's the chicken. Don't scoop the ilalim. Only the, yeah. Yan lang. Yan. Hindi mo kasi minix ng ayos, kaya meron ko sa ilalim. Tama na, ay natatapon. But your water is not hot na.
Narito ka kagabi.
This water or this? What do you mean by that? This water or this?
This water is still, it is still,
It's not water. It's water.
yeah, but I mean, it's not hot anymore. So you cannot mix it na.
Para masunggan yung baka hindi pinapatay natin.
Yun.
Tatagal pa.
Sabi nga ni, sabi niya na siya, yung daw Christmas tree ko ay i-off ko daw ang solar. Ang iniisip naman na baka daw ako na ganyan. Sabi, ang ibig ko lang sabihin, ano mga pinagkaiba noong kami napasok? Na maghapon magdamag yung naka-charge sa initan at nalalagay sa gabi. Nang kami wala. Hindi ko ino.
May solar naman nga siya.
Yung solar naman siya, hindi naman siya mag-ano ng ano. Saka
There's
naulan
no
naman
more
doon,
food.
so it's not like totally hot na yung ditong ano, mainit. Doon eh, pagkaganti mas naulan.
Bro has smelling towels.
Oh, ang dami pang kanin eh.
Ano ba, RC? What do you like?
Rice.
Sige ng gulay si RC at kanin. Ano ko, ano bang mushroom niya? Oo, iniano mo niya. Maraming mushroom eh.
Does she like mushroom?
Does she like rice?
Ano?
Does she like
Alam mo,
mushroom?
Ari is very good in asking question.
Yeah.
Grammatically correct. And the arrangement of the
But
words
this one is
correct.
pork.
Yeah. There is ano, Deko niya yung lolo, yung dati.
Nilalag na kita ni Daddy Beef pa, Ima.
Ang dati maging maano mo, ano. Si Ari, very good.
did you learn ba? Teach me naman.
The what?
How to speak in English. Because I don't know how
You don't know. How to speak in English if you're the buyer asking? Why are you asking how to speak English if you're already asking me English
Oh, is it?
language when you're asking?
But I think my grammar is not correct. Is the grammar of Tita Hani correct for Tina? Is the English correct? No.
Yeah.
Good. Makaga pa na raibay, pwede mo na kinain.
Kumain ako.
Tatapos na, dito na ano ni Daddy siguro may bake.
Oh, hindi marunong maghalo. Yes.
Is there another chicken soup?
Okay.
Why?
Is there another chicken soup?
Careful. Tomorrow na ha.
Tomorrow naman. There's a one here pa.
Please.
You put some more water because there's
Yeah.
yeah, a bit because there's more so you can mix it.
Akin na.
Put here. Put here. Lola will put a bit lang Lola ha. Baka naman mawala ng lasa Lola. Oh, yeah. Oh. Put here, then mix it. Mix it para yung nasa ilalim ma-dissolve. Let's get our soup.
Yeah, after I'm gonna get
You want this? This?
After I'm gonna get
Yeah.
After this I'm gonna get
Okay.
I like them so much.
Okay.
I love them.
Wow. RC is so arte.
Got hotter.
But she want me to feed her.
Are some animals picky eaters?
Yes, like it's RC. RC is one of them. So picky.
Why?
You see?
She picks for you to feed her,
Hmm.
not her to just eat.
Eat it, yeah.
Yes. Is that mushroom?
No, it's beef.
Maybe. What if she swallows super tiny?
Bone?
Yeah.
No, there's no bone.
Oh.
It's all meat. You want to try? Oh, RC, finish that. I give it to you. Wow. She finished
Finish
it.
what you have. Be grateful for the food.
Yes, very good.
Yeah. I like it.
Lola! Ari is asking something.
Can I have one?
Ito yung gusto niya eh.
Yeah, bye.
Are you sure you will finish it?
Yeah. Are you sure about that?
But you finish that one now. Then I will give you one more. Yan, yan. Ubusin naman natin, di ba, ma? I don't chop soy.
I think it's
Oh, busin mo
spicy.
na.
Is she crying?
No, it's just the reflection of the light.
No.
Oh no! Ours is crying. Why? I think
Oh, that
she's
always
crying.
happens. That always happens. Okay.
Really? Is she okay?
Mm-hmm. She always cries. I always see tears.
Oh no, maybe ours is sad.
Maybe.
But why?
I think she lost her one friend. I think it's the stray cat that scratched me.
Maybe she's crying. Then tomorrow, yeah. Here. Oh, tomorrow na lang. Okay, tomorrow na lang. We'll serve it na lang tomorrow. Very good. Oops. No. Oh. Wash ng hands, ha? Wash ng hands. Then, toothbrush. Archie, you want soup?
Yeah, I want soup.
You don't want? Archie. They leave me alone. Oh my God. You just left. So I guess I'm the one who will wash the dishes. You heard that? Lola, laugh on me.
Why?
All of you gone after eating. So now I need to clear the table.
I'm gonna help.
Yes, I think they are not there.
Can you help me? Oh, it's a cripple.
Sorry, because my house is
What's up?
Kyle.
Because, dude, I'm sitting. Please. Just one.
Because you're wrong. Did you wash your toothbrush? Oh, humingi pa. Thank you. Thank you, Kyle. Is it right?
Dad, you're my favorite one.
Is Jace. Catch the toothpaste. Aba, drink muna. Because you eat. You finish, then drink, then you toothbrush, okay? Here na, I will put here. Okay? Because I will clean the table. Alam ko na, Ari. Humingi pa ng kaputol na burger ni Kyle. lang.
Where's the bit?
Magkano nga isa noon? 70?
Yani!
Ay, nakapag-isa kaya?
Ha?
Nakapag-isa kaya?
Nakapaligo ka na?
Hindi ko, naghugas pa ako ng pinggan eh. Ay, Ari! 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 Oh, wala na rin.
What?
Can you turn off my camera?
Where?
There on the table. There, no. Inside the dining. There's a circle there with the orange color. You just press it once.